Hello everyone. For demonstrating the Scrapy shell, I'm using the Anaconda distribution in a Windows environment. So right now I'm in the Anaconda prompt. Let's start. So for the first time, I have to create a virtual environment. Conda create minus name and my environment name. They will create a virtual environment. I'm not gonna do that. I already have an environment, so let's see what environment I have here. I'm asking for the list of the environment, so you can see that's one of the environment I already created. So first of all, I have to activate conda activate Scrapy environment. So my environment is activated now. Let's install the Scrapy. So Scrapy is installed, and then we can start the Scrapy shell. So Scrapy shell. Now I'm in the Scrapy shell. So as you know, we actually use the Scrapy shell to investigate a website. So first of all, I have to fetch the site, the URL. So it's fetched. Then all the response we can get in the response, everything in the response. So and now I can use the XPath or CSS to find out the element. So first of all, let's use the XPath to see the title of it. Title text get yes, I have a typo here. So XPath, yeah, that's it. As you can see, there's the title of the site. So let's take the heading of it, copy response. This time I'm using the CSS selector. So this is the CSS selector. Okay. So that's the HTML element we have. If you want to see the text of it, only the text, just add : text. You will have it. Okay. Then if you want to grab the heading of this post, it's an A tag I can see. So let's say response CSS. I'm using the CSS and will get that particular HTML tag. Yeah, I get it. If you only want to see the text, you can add text with the colon here. You will get the text. Let's say I want to get all the heading A tag here. So I will get add all here. You will get a full list of the HTML tag of all the anchor text. Then if I want to see only one tag, so that's the one. If I want to grab the attribute, say attribute the h tag link href. So this thing, basically this is how the Scrapy work, and it's very convenient to use. Yeah, thank you for watching.